Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Sharma and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of a project management tool called Asana. In Asana, I'm going to show you how can we use an Asana board for sprint planning. Before we go ahead, a few things about me. I have been a project manager for more than 10 years and I have worked on almost every project management tool that is being used in today's world. And today it's the day of Asana. So moving on, I'm going to share my screen where you can see my board. And here you can see this is something that I've configured, Asana Project Management Sprint Planning Board. Over here, you can see all the different type of views that we have inside this particular board. Over here, what I've done is I've done I've created a kind of a board which can be used for agile ceremonies so that you can implement end-to-end software development just using this particular board, and you can do effective reporting. You can manage your entire project just using by this board. So there are multiple categories or swim lanes that I've created over here. The very first one is the project management one, product management one, which is all the features that you need to have when you're actually creating a software project. Then design, spec, wireframing. Then you move into a backlog, which can be used in kind of the agile ceremony. Once your sprint has been initiated, you can move those stories into development, then you can move them into testing, then you can call them under review, ready for production, and once they have been deployed, you can mark the status as done, or you can have these particular stories in the swim lane, which has a status done. This is an overall view of how you can have your board configured. You can always add task. You can add task in each of these, and then you can move them. So let's say that this is feature number I'll say 20, and right now it's in the open state. So now there are a lot of workflow automations that have created or can be created in Asana, but over here I've only, like you can see, the automations right now are only limited to these three swim lanes. And going back to the board, so let's say now my stage is open. If I update the status to, let's say, review has been completed. The moment you change the status, this feature 20 will move into the design spec and wireframing. Now, all the other items can be added over here. Let's say who is the assignee, what's the due date. You can add tags, you can add projects, dependencies, you can write about it, you can comment, you can have conversations around it. Everything from the perspective of project management can be done over here. So let's say now this particular spec has been, so let's say the design has been completed or the wireframing has been completed. Now you want to move this story to backlog. So I have a status pre-configured. The moment you select ready for backlog, see, it automatically moves from here. So this is a kind of automation that can be utilized while managing a project. Let's say an agile project while using Asana. So this is something that, I've created a very basic, but then again, I understand that projects do have high level requirements, and, it needs a lot of workflow automations. And, because of my work experience, I can confidently say that, yes, this is something that I can do very comfortably. So yes, if you need any support in terms of Asana, do let me know. I'm always available. Thank you so much.